Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Kelvin here. In this video, I will show you how to use uSMART to buy the dip, even though the dip is getting deeper. I will also show you how to sign up, find your account, and if you have paper hands, I will show you how to sell and withdraw the money back into your bank account. Sounds good? Alright, let's start right now. First up, if you don't have a uSMART account yet, you can just use your friend's referral link to sign up. Otherwise, you can just use mine to sign up. Signing up just takes a few minutes, so I'll just fast forward, yeah?
A few moments later.
Alright, the next step is to what big. But before that, you will need to find your account with money. To find your account, tap on Trade, Deposit. You can fund with either SGD, USD or Hong Kong dollars. I'll be funding with SGD. Here, you have a few methods to find your account: eGiro, PayNow, Fast or Telegraphic Transfer. I would recommend using eGiro because it's the easiest and the funds will arrive almost instantly. So just tap on eGiro, add an eGiro bank account, then just choose your bank and log in. Here, choose the account that you want to use, then enter your payment limit. If you are worried about unauthorized payments, you can set a lower limit. For the billing end date, you can just leave it empty. Once you are done, tap on Next, check everything is alright, tap Submit, then do all the authentication. Okay, your account is linked now. Tap on Deposit again, choose your currency, eGiro, and under the bank account, tap on Deposit. For the amount, if it's your first time depositing, you need to deposit at least $2,000 or more to qualify for the welcome gift of 3 Bitcoin ETF that's worth about $20 right now. Enter the amount, then deposit. The money should arrive in just a few seconds, so just wait a bit, yeah? You can see that my total net assets is 1,425 USD, but that doesn't mean that I have USD yet. Under positions, I have 0 USD and 2,000 SGD. So it depends on what stock that you want to buy. If you want to buy Singapore stocks, you don't have to convert your currency. But if you want to buy US stocks, you need to convert to USD. Okay, I will just quickly show you how to convert to USD. Tap on the exchange, I will convert from SGD to USD. Enter how much you want to convert, then confirm. Now, you can see that I have some USD in my account. Alright, we are now ready to buy stocks and what big. So, go to Quotes, at the top, tap on the search button, then look for your stock. For example, the fruit company, Apple. You can tap on the heart icon to add it to your watch list. If you go back to the main page, you will see that Apple stock has been added now. To buy stocks, just tap on the stock. You will see the stock price and a simple chart. There's some extra stuff that you can check out, like stock discussions, analytics, and announcements. But I'll just go straight to buying. So tap on Trade. Here, you have 3 options. Trade, which is just a simple buy and sell. Fractional trading, which lets you buy lesser than one stock. So let's say you want to buy Apple, but you only have $10 ample money. How? Then you can use fractional trading to buy your stock. Smart Order lets you activate a buy or sell order if the stock goes past a certain price. If you want to find out more, you can check the explanation, yeah? Anyway, I want to just do a simple buy. So I will tap on Trade. Okay, there are just 2 order types here, limit order and market order. For limit order, you can specify what price you want to buy the stock at. For example, if you want to buy at $147, you put in $147. But don't try to lowball like what you always do in carousel, because if the price is too low, nobody will want to sell to you. So set a more reasonable price, yeah? Then for market order, you will just buy the stock at the current market price. So if Apple is $150 now, you buy at $150. Then for quantity, you can enter how many stocks that you want to buy. If you want to buy a big amount, can, no problem. Just make sure you have enough money to buy. Otherwise, you will be using margin to buy. I will just buy 2 apples this time. Once you are done, tap on Buy. Confirm everything is alright, then buy. If you have successfully bought, you will be able to find your stock under Trade. Here's the apples that I bought just now. So that was how to buy stocks. For selling, it's exactly the same as just now. But you just tap on Sell instead. Remember, it's sell, don't blur, go click buy. Enter the price and amount, then sell. Okay, let's say you have made a ton of money and is ready to retire at the beach. I will show you how to withdraw your money back to your bank account. But just take note that if you have just sold your stocks, you won't get back the money immediately because it will take 2 business days for the money to be settled. To withdraw, tap on Trade, More, Withdrawal. Choose which bank you want to withdraw to. Choose your currency. If you're withdrawing HUD, you will need to convert your USD into HUD before you withdraw. Also, if you're withdrawing HUD in Singapore, there's no fees. But if you're withdrawing USD or Hong Kong dollars to non-DBS or POSB banks, there will be a $40 fees, yeah? Enter the amount, tap Next, check everything is alright, then Submit. If you're withdrawing HUD to Singapore banks, the funds will arrive in 1 business day. Otherwise, it may take longer. So anyway, that was a quick tutorial on how to use uSMART. Hopefully, you find it useful. Like, share and subscribe as I'll be posting new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday.